Hi there, this is Too Fast here. In this video, I will show you how to convert these factory turn signal bulb on this Honda Odyssey from this to this beautiful LED turn signal. So stay tuned and I'll show you how. So these are the LED lights I'll be using for this install. This one I have here is made by a company called Luyed, and the bulb size is 7440, or they can also be labeled as 7440NA for natural amber, because these lights will emit an amber color. Now, one reason I prefer the Luyed brand over other brands on the market is because they use very good chipsets. So let me open up the package and I'll show you what these LED lights look like. Here's a closer look at one of these LED lights. There are a total of 35 surface mount 3030 LED chipsets. This light will operate between 5 to 15 volt, and the light output is 2590 lumens. Now, with so many LED chips, you have a nice 360-degree light output, and these chipsets put out a very nice amber color. The overall build quality of this light is excellent. When I first looked at this light, I thought this metal part that you see right here was just a metal that's wrapped around this bulb. But when I look closer, I noticed this is actually solid aluminum to help dissipate heat. Also, as you can see, the solder connection is very clean. Here's a side-by-side look of the two 7440 lights. On the left is the incandescent one, and on the right is the LED. As you can see, the LED version is longer, so make sure you have enough clearance if you're going to be using this in your vehicle. Right now I'm going to connect my 12 volt power supply to this so you can see how bright and the color output of each of these lights. Now, another good feature about these is that they're not polarity sensitive. If any of you have played around with LED bulbs in your vehicle, you know that you can only install it in one direction. If you flip it around the other way, it will not light up because they're LED. But with the LED drivers that they're using inside, it will automatically correct for the polarity. Let me connect the power to the light. Now my camera automatically adjusted the exposure because these lights are so bright. But I can tell you it puts out a very nice amber color and is very bright. As a comparison, here's the incandescent bulb. It's definitely not as bright as the LED one. The turn signal bulb sits right behind this lens right here. To get to it, open up your hood and then look behind the headlight assembly. And right here, this is the connector for that turn signal bulb. Go ahead and give it a turn, and the bulb will come out. Disconnect the bulb, and then plug in the Luyed lights. Now we'll reinstall it. Here's a comparison look between the LED light on the driver's side compared to the incandescent bulb on the passenger side. Also, with the LED, you get the instant on and off flashing compared to the incandescent bulb. Over here on the passenger side, if you look right behind here, you'll see the connector for the turn signal. Go ahead and remove this. Install the LED light. Here's a look at both turn signals converted to LED. Here's a closer look. One thing I want to point out on this Honda Odyssey is that the front turn signals and the rear turn signals both use 7440 light bulbs. Now if you install LED lights on all four corners, you will get the hyper flashing of the lights, meaning that it doesn't see a proper load and it thinks there's a burnt bulb. So in this setup, what I've done is I've only installed the LED lights on the front and I left the incandescent light in the back. So with this setup, you do not get the hyper flashing problem. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video on converting your regular turn signal light to LED using these Luyed 7440 LED lights. As you can see, they put out a very nice clean amber color. If you want to check these out, I'll put the Amazon link in the description below. Now they do make other sizes of lights, so you might want to check out their Amazon store to find one that fits your application. Well, I hope you enjoy watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. And don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.